Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
We all love eating desserts, but sometimes making a big cake can be really time consuming. For such times, you can switch over to a small recipe for a cake in a mug. Today, we are going to make a red velvet cake in a mug. Let's see how it's done. The most important thing for this recipe is to use a microwave safe mug, and you have to measure out all your ingredients correctly. So in my mug, I'm going to add some buttermilk, some oil, sugar, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, and few drops of red food coloring. I'm using gel colors. You can also use liquid colors. Let's give this a mix. The oil and buttermilk have mixed together nicely. Now it's time for our dry ingredients. I'm adding some flour, some baking powder, and a tiny pinch of salt. Mix it together. The mixture is mixed properly, but it's a little dense, so I'm going to add some water. About 1 tablespoon of water should be enough. Our batter is now ready. We'll microwave this at 100% power for about 2.5 minutes. The power of every microwave is very different, so you'll have to do a little bit of trial and error to make sure that your cake is cooked completely from the center. Let's go and microwave this now. A good red velvet cake is one which has a mild taste of chocolate. It takes 2 minutes in the microwave to bake, but it takes about 10 to 15 minutes to cool down. I've let this cool down for about 10 minutes, and now I'm going to unmold it onto this plate. I'm going to turn it upside down because the texture is nicer on the other side. And here in this bowl, I have some cream cheese that I have sweetened with a little bit of sugar, which I'm going to drizzle on top. And that is your individual sized mug cake. You can also take it out in a plate, but some people like to enjoy it in a mug. Choose how you want to eat it. When you try this recipe, leave a comment below and let me know about your experience. Like this video and share it with everyone you know. I'll see you next time.